Okay, so stupid me, right? There's a mechanical switch that I think I didn't install. Yeah, so bro, I gotta take this out. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know if anyone is asking this question. Can you remove this without removing this? You can lah. Actually, I don't know, I keep talking to myself, right? I don't know if I make this video, right, like will I do a voice over or like just it is what it is with this sound, cause I feel very weird talking to myself or doing a voice over. Sorry. What? Oh, you don't have to remove it. Just trying to make sure I don't crack anything. And this wire, so I see if I can remove this in situ. Let's see how this works. So I only paid like $5 for this. This is like every aircraft technician worst fear, but ta-da! There's still, can you see? Don't drop inside the hole. Okay, good. Okay. So usually aircraft like standard, right? We take things in order. Hopefully this can come out. Okay, I think this is the last screw. Second last screw. I got one more here holding it, so see that skill not? Last one. Hopefully this is the last screw. Okay, good. Looking good. Okay, I need these two. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. So you press here. Just thinking if I remove, right, then if I put a little scratch, then like purpose gone. Ta-da! Yeah, I did it. Good job. Okay, achievement. I removed this from my bike. Totally no YouTube help, yo. Proud of myself. So basic knowledge lah, ha. Like I think 1 hour main job if you like no skill. Let me compare first. Okay, the button. I made it! Look at the screen. Think I can salvage it. Can you see? So usually for seals, you must make sure there's no like dirt on it. And by right, you must loop lah. But I'm not gonna touch it. This part not aviation standard now. Okay, let's see. Woo! Is it like that? Oh, pretty. So for tightening, right, just rule of thumb, right, you hand tight first so that your threads engage. You don't want to round. Some people they do this, right, then they put on the screw. You don't. You want to make sure that the first few threads bites correctly. I'm like giving pro tip. Okay, so say all your screws are engaged. So if you want aviation standard, right, every like tightening, right, has to be like even lah, so that the stress is like evenly released. But this one bike standard lah, so I'll just do best effort. So some people like to like damn tight, no need. As long tight hand tight good enough. Because you tight so tight then the thing crack also no good, right? Then over time you will seize up. So just make sure you and some of this is supposed to be a watertight thing lah. So just when you install, you careful . Wow, so nice. So now the problem, right, is like putting it back. Okay, so now the problem is putting it back. Just make sure. I wanted to buy the white one, right? But the white one out of stock, so just gotta make do with this. At least the dark screen protects the like LCD. Yeah, maybe I can do a test. Well, I'm scared scratch the thing. Maybe I should take out the. I think I'm like the only one who's gonna install this without removing the front headset. It's crazy. Just don't scratch the thing. Try not to scratch this thing.
A few inches later.
I made it! I made it! I made it! Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, good job. Let me just engage. This one, the excess a bit is like the best excess, and so like remember I say when you engage, you want to make sure that you hand tight the thing first. Sweet. Okay, this one skew. So aviation usually is magnetic but this is like not lah. So let's see how my skew still have or not. Oh, I still got it. Yes. Okay, but the access to turn is, so this is very bad because it's not at a straight angle. Okay, gotta finger it in. Okay, I got like 2 turns in already. So now, if you're in a very precarious like position, right, you just want to make sure you turn it. Okay, there, can you see? Nice. Okay, so when you turn, make sure you don't feel tension. If you tension, then don't force it. Because you force it, right, then you're gonna round the thing. So rule of thumb, right, again, you don't over tighten, and especially it's a motorbike, right, so there's a lot of vibration. I mean, you don't need to like, you know, lock wire and all the shit lah, but this is good enough. So don't overturn it, because if you overturn it and you slip, it's called slipping, right, you round the head. Slipping means, for example, you turn, right, then you like miss. That's called slipping. So each time you slip, you are cutting the edge of the screw. Then next time you won't have nice grip lah. So it's just some technique. See, I slipped, almost slipped. So you must feeling. Okay, done. So now, make sure this. Oh, click, then it's good. Okay, function check. Wee! Hi! Nice to see you. Okay, wait. Change the button. My button don't work. Oh my god. Freak, my button don't work. So you see, function check very important. Sian. So I must like take out. Oh my god. Okay. Have I ever? Okay, so stupid me, right? There's a mechanical switch that I think I didn't install. Yeah, so bro, I gotta take this out. Oh my god, stupid. So yeah, it's my first time doing this shit. So okay, noted with thanks. Eh, wow, kidding me? Means I have to take out everything eh.
One shift later.
So I don't like to open like sensitive parts like that because very OCD then the wind blow all the sand in then like a bit OCD. So usually when you do this kind of first time thing make sure your orientation is like correct. There, drop out already. So okay, anyway. This is the switch. All that for that. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if anyone is asking this question. Can you remove this without removing this? You can lah. Cause I got stuck by this and I don't have the key for this. I mean, I don't know how to remove this lah, and I don't want to go there. So you can, but it's very tough cause these are plastic. You don't want to break the latches. You know, the hinge. Yeah. Okay, second time, see if this can fix it. Okay, like, oh, like better, but wait, don't. Okay, so I'm very careful because I just scared scratch the screen, right? So I have to use all like my internal strength to like pry it open without cracking it and feeling all the parts.
A few moments later.
Wow, that was like easier than the first. Okay, connect this first. Again, click. Okay, it's the same lah. Okay, just gonna fix these 3 screws. I'm gonna stop recording because waste my footage. Starting to rain. This is just like a passing rain, but I'm getting wet. Okay, so I've just installed the 3 screws. Let's do a function check. Button feels good. Yes! Good job! Okay, so now like how to fix this back, right? There's 2 screws, remember? Yeah, let's... Do I need to do a video on this? I think no need lah. But my tools are in the box. Hope I remember correctly. Yeah lah, should be right. I mean, the last thing you want is your internal screws to like come loose, right? So, okay. So now let me just double check. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is the 2 that I'm missing. So this 2 is... Oh, it's here, I think. Okay, correct. No need scared. Should have taken a photo before I work, because now I forget like how everything looks like. Is this like under or over? So jokes. Okay lah, experience. I mean, I can use that bike as a reference, right? So oh wow, it fits so nicely. What is this? Okay. Oh yes, I remember something. Yeah. This. But this one is clip on eh. Yeah, no need worry. It's only one mounting. Okay. Should be this. Looks good. I mean like, I want it to be like nice, right? So, trying to make sure that this is aligned. So I think there's this like latch catch here and yeah, let's see how it goes. Really nice. That's easy. Something doesn't sitting rightly. Slot in lah, eh? Ah, slot in. This thing slot in lah, yeah, okay. Okay, so now see this. This is the middle one. So I just hand tight and a bit tight first. Start underwing. Wow! So like total time taken, right? Jokes lah. It took like 1 hour 15 minutes. I think people, if I open shop like that, lose money, yeah. But okay, considering this is my first time, so I think it's pretty good. Nothing major went crazy. It's just the switch part. Actually, I don't know, I keep talking to myself, right? I don't know if I make this video, right? Like, will I do a voice over or like just it is what it is with this sound? Cause I feel very weird talking to myself or doing a voice over. Okay. Wow, it looks great. So again, I OCD, I'll just hand tight like nice tight, then I'll do a full like so-called talk, like hand talk without a talk meter, because this is bike standard. Well done, I'm done. So interestingly, right, let me show you something. Okay, so apparently for this MX King bike, right, the right mirror is actually like anti-clockwise. For tightening principle, usually it's clockwise lah, but yeah, so this is anti-clockwise, I'm pretty sure. So just make sure when you go in, smooth tread. If it's like tight, right, don't force it lah. Yeah, see, it's biting in. So if it's tight and you force, you definitely cross thread, and once you cross thread, you hongkan lah, because the thing all spoiled already, then you must like replace. Okay, so now after that I do this, do the easier one first. Yeah, so as for the left hand side, right, the left mirror, you realize that it's like clockwise. Okay, wait. Yeah. So apparently I'm aircraft, right? So this is usually mm, but I'm using like the 916 to like tighten. Yeah. A bit OCD, I don't like things like touching each other, if not like got scratch. So this one is the other side. See? Forgot. I also can go some more. Not used to this like. Again, I don't want this to touch, so yes. So now my mirror is up and it's great. Let's do one final check. Yes. Up slide. And press. Great. Okay, good job. Done. Back up. Pangkang. Thanks. Thanks for watching if you're like watching. Bye. Goodbye.